everyone. I hope everyone doing well. When you want to do any action or when you want to go anywhere, you should get the signal from the commanding authority, which is nothing but our brain. In this way, I'm going to explain about the muscle contraction, how it happens. When your brain sends a signal to your muscle through a nerve called motor nerve, which the message travels down to the end of the nerve is called nerve endings, where the muscular junction is present. When the motor neuron and the muscle get meet up point is neuromuscular junction. When they get meet, it can release a chemical substance called acetylcholine. This acetylcholine bind to a nicotinic acetylcholine receptors on the sarcolemma. Sarcolemma is nothing but muscle cell membrane. Then, once it get release of acetylcholine, it can open the channels. So, sodium and potassium are there. Sodium get enter into the muscle tissue. At the same time, potassium also comes out from the muscle tissue. And it can generate a electrical signal through this way. This electrical signal, which is nothing but action potential. This action potential pass across the sarcolemma and it can go much deeper inside of the sarcolemma. Then it can hit the what? Sarcoplasmic reticulum. There the calcium ions or abundance is very high. So that the calcium ions released from it and it can hit on the troponin and it can bind to. So thereby the tropomyosin start to get moving away from the actin sites. So actin and myosin are the regulatory proteins which are present on the myofibrils. So actin is the thin filament and myosin is the thick filament. Myosin, just imagine like your hands, and actin is just like your rope, right? Okay. Then what? Let's see what it happens further. Then, when the calcium sits on the troponin, it can changes its shape so that the tropomyosin moves away from the actin sites. Actin commonly has a general site for the myosin. When the tropomyosin moves away from the actin, the myosin and the actin grab each other. Then what it happens now? The myosin head attached to the actin site, thereby pull the sarcomere, which is nothing but your muscle contraction has happened. Okay, how the muscle relaxation happen? Let's see. From the sarcoplasmic reticulum, the calcium ions are released from it, right? It is just vice versa. The calcium ions again go back to the sarcoplasmic reticulum. The actin and myosin side get detached each other so that the relaxation has happened. This is nothing but muscle contraction and relaxation. Thank you.